Now let's quickly look at the funds module, which just provides two contracts, so it's a very short module. And as I said before, it in particular has this own funds function whose goal it is to sum up all the value in my own UTXOs. So how it works is just looks up my own public key, then looks up the UTXOs at the address given by my own public key. So that's the UTXOs sitting in my own wallet. And then I get this map of UTXOs. And now I apply to the values of this map. So remember that's a map from basically references to UTXOs. So map also implements functor. So I can basically map over the values of this map and change the values from UTXOs to something else. So I first get the output belonging to the UTXO, then its value. So now I have a map from UTXO references to values. The map elements function forgets the keys and just gives me the list of all values. And mconcat, as I said before, given a semigroup or monoid, combines a list of values of that type to one. So what that does is it just adds up all the values. So V is now the sum of all the values of all the UTXOs that I own. And I just log that result and return it. So this is a contract that has as a return value this value. And this here is just a variation, which instead of returning the value, permanently tells it. So what does it do? It calls this own funds function and then uses monadic bind. So the result of this own funds function is a value, and then it tells just last that value. So it writes the sum of money that I own to the log. And if there's some error there, I handle it and just log the error. Then I wait one slot and recurse. So this own funds contract will run forever, and every slot check how much money I have and write that value into the log.